What does she do? I do everything. I move everything.
I am not looking for clout, no. I knew I would figure it out, I knew. I took the millionaire route, running up.
Okay guys, this is all the items that I have for my Christmas decor. So we're gonna get ready to go ahead and put her up, unbox the box. So let's get into it. Hi guys, it's Priska Love. I hope you enjoyed my ASMR unboxing of my Christmas tree and what we put up so far. I'm just showing you the ornaments I'm now going to use to decorate my tree. And today's video, we are using Walmart and Dollar Tree products. My two favorite places, if you know me for real, for real. So the Christmas tree, let's talk about it. I got my Christmas tree. I did order that from Walmart.com. They did have it in stores as well. The brand of the tree is the Holiday Time. It's a 6.5 foot pre-lit flocked Frisco pine tree. This is an artificial tree, as you can tell. And it does have the clear lights that are, what's the color? The yellow color. I freaking love this tree, guys, if you can't tell already. Like, I've been really wanting a frosted Christmas tree, but I wanted something that was full enough but didn't take up too much space, and I think this is the perfect mix of that. Look, I'm so excited. I'm too hype. Okay, so I got the star, the angels, and the icicles that you'll see in a little bit from Dollar Tree. And the icicles came in the pack. That was $1.25. I think that the snowflakes came separately and the angels came separately. So that was $1.25 each as well. But OMG, there's the icicles. Y'all, I am obsessed with clear items, see through anything. So this was right up my alley. And it came out exactly how I envisioned it. So I'll let you guys keep watching. We're almost done with this very short video. I actually did have my decor up this year before Thanksgiving. Can you imagine? I didn't even decorate last year. So I was like, this year we're going to make something that I love. And this is a little hack. I did run out of my little tinsels that came with the ornaments. But if you have rubber bands, you could just tie it through, make a little knot. And it's so easy to put on your tree. And so easy to slide off if you need to reposition it, or just cut them off to take them off, and your ornaments are still good. I love that method. So try that if you ever run out. But see you in a little bit. Y'all, it's a vibe. We got Destiny's Child, we got the fire. And look at it. I mean, the frosted Christmas trees are so pretty by themselves. They don't really even need decor. So I kind of want to do like a minimalist kind of decor, but you know, still something. Look at my snowflakes, how glittery they look. These look like freaking bubbles. I love iridescent, clear, anything. And then a hint of iridescent in my angel wings with the fur. What? To match the rug? Come on. And then the chrome tree to go with my, this whole entire decor goes with my living room decor as is, so I don't have to switch too much out. As you can see, I'm obsessed. I love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy holidays.